Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first launch the Gmail application, and after that click here on the right upper corner. Now we can see that our device, we just logged in on our device into two Gmail accounts in our Gmail application, and now just to log out from Gmail app from one from this account, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So how we can do that? Let's just press here to manage Google accounts on our device, and after that just select one from these accounts which we want to remove. For example, the first one, just click here and then just tap here to remove account and confirm your action by remove account again. And after that, in Google account settings, we can see that we stay only with one Google Gmail account, and when we'll go back again to the Gmail application, we can see that in application we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.